Hey, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your recently watched Reels on Instagram. Now, let's get started. First, open Instagram and tap on the Reels icon at the bottom right. Let's say you liked a particular Reel but scrolled past it and watched several others. Here's what you can do. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, then go to the three lines at the top right. Select your activity, then choose Interactions. From there, go into Likes, and you'll find the reel you interacted with. This method is useful for reels you engaged with, even if you didn't watch them recently. Keep in mind that these tricks aren't foolproof, especially for reels you didn't interact with. If it's been a long time or if you didn't like or comment, finding specific old reels might be challenging. That's why I recommend hitting the like button for reels you enjoy, as they'll be stored in your interactions history. And there you have it, 2 simple tricks to check your recently watched reels on Instagram.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.